I have always wanted to be in medicine ever since I was a little girl. I just wasn't sure what path I would take to be able to get there. And that's why I'm very grateful to NUA for helping to show me a path of how I could realize my dreams. When I went to Nevis, I had an amazing time on the island. I really integrated well with the community. It has helped my medical journey by making me more tolerant, more aware of diversity and differences, and it helps to instill within us that drive. Got to keep going, we'll get the job done. And the biggest advice I could give to medical students as they're preparing to transfer into stateside practice is don't be afraid. I feel like if someone would have said that to me, I wouldn't have done it. But having gone through it and being on the other side, I would tell them, don't be afraid. Trust the process. It is there to help you. They're going to support you, your colleagues, your classmates, the administration. Everybody will get you the things that you need to be successful in residency, and NUA will give you the chance to get there. They will open the door, and you still have to do the work to get there, but they'll give you all the tools that you need to be successful, to walk through that open door, to get into a successful residency, and to have an amazing career. Good residency programs and amazing clinicals, a strong administration team that helps hold the hands of the students. It gives us everything we need. I'm so grateful I had the courage to take that leap, and it's gotten me to where I am right now. I am beyond grateful to MUA for giving me the chance to live my dreams. I looked so long for an open door. MUA cracked the door open and said, we'll show you how to come through.